Hello, gorgeous. Hope you all are doing well. Here is an easy way to make delicious homemade dishes and share with your family and friends. If you have been craving for the ultimate comfort food, you have got to try this kofte recipe. These kofte are crispy on the outside, juicier inside, and full of flavor every time. So, let's get started. The ingredients for chicken kofte are boneless chicken cubes, ginger garlic paste, green chilies, onions chopped, coriander leaves, salt, and oil for frying. The ingredients for gravy will be taken up later. No need to add egg, breadcrumbs, or any other binding agents, as these meatballs retain their shape while frying and taste much better and are softer and tender. Please ensure the meatballs are of same size so they all cook evenly. In a food processor, add onions, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves and salt. Run the processor at least for 1 minute or blend until combined. Then add chicken pieces. Keep running the processor until you get a smooth paste. Meatballs mix is ready. Now time to make kofte. Grease your palm with oil. Make round meatballs of same size. I made 21 meatballs total with this mix. I made chicken kofte by two methods, one by conventional and other by air frying. I will show you both the methods here. Pour 1 cup of oil in pan, heat it. Pan fry the kofte in multiple batches, turning halfway. Cook over medium heat until light golden brown on bottom. Then flip over gently and cook on opposite side until light golden brown. Now viewers, no need to copy the ingredients. A beautifully formatted recipe card optimized for your phone screen is given at the link below. Just download it and store it in a folder. You will never have to hunt for the recipes again. Now air frying method. Ever wondered you could make zero oil kofte as well? The air fryer can do it for you. Keep the temperature at 190 degrees Celsius and set the timer to 8 minutes. That's it. They are done. The results are comparable or better. It could be a boon for Weight Watchers. The ingredients for the gravy are whole spices, cloves, cinnamon, green cardamom, black cardamom, bay leaf, powdered spices, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, onion paste, curd, besan, tomato puree. Heat a large pan or kadhai. Add half cup of oil and whole spices. Sizzle them for a few seconds. Then add onion paste. Saute onion paste till it turns golden brown. Now turn the heat to low. Add ginger garlic paste and saute another 1 minute. Sprinkle besan and saute it for 30 seconds. Now goes in powdered spices. Stir them for few seconds. Add tomato puree. Stir followed by 5 tablespoons of water. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add yogurt. Saute until oil bubbles ooze out from the granular mixture. Now time to place kofte in pan. Saute kofte, stirring gently for few minutes. The thickened mixture will stick or form coating on kofte. Add 1.5 cups of water. Cover the lid. Turn the heat to high. Once the gravy starts boiling, turn the heat to low, stirring gently in between. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes and let these kofte soak all the goodness of masalas that you have showered on them. When the desired consistency of gravy is achieved, turn off heat. Juicy kofte with gravy is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves. You can serve this classic comfort food with roti, naan, sheermal or rice. You can use air-fried kofte for making a sumptuous breakfast like this or a quick snack for the evening like this. These are just guidelines. The real magic lies in your hands. Please do show your likes by pressing the thumbs up. One like from you is like a big energy drink. Keeps me going all day long. For a regular dose of my vibrant videos, hit the subscribe button and what's the bell icon for? I'm sure you know it. This is Saba signing off. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.